Thank you for buying this birdhouse window mounted from Fixture Displays. We're going to show you how this product looks and assembles. You can find this product on fixturedisplays.com by searching 15031. These are all the components. You need 3 suction cups. We supplied you 4, and you can keep 1 spare. And you have 1 perch. This film is optional. You do not have to install, but if you wish, you can put it on. It is a film that allows you to see the bird, but not as good without. And don't let the bird see you, so the bird can play without being concerned, being watched, or scared. This is how you put it on if you choose to do so. Once again, you don't have to do this. If you have any questions, email us cs, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. Now you can insert this piece, slide it into the birdhouse, the back end, and the perch goes onto the front where the bird can perch on, go in and out of the house. Certainly, if you wish to, you can put a little hay inside, or even some food if you so desire. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. And before you put on your window, make sure your window is properly cleaned, and then push it tightly, snugly on. Now you can enjoy watching the birds play inside and out of this birdhouse. The dimensions is about 7 inches wide, 8.5 inches tall. The perch is 1.3 inches long, and the hole is 1.2 inches. The inside dimension of the back door is 6 inches by 5.5 inches. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.